Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're taking a closer look at Capex.com, a global broker offering a wide range of instruments, powerful platforms, and tools designed to help traders make smarter decisions. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Capex.com is a modern online trading platform built for traders who want to access a wide range of markets and powerful tools all in one place. Capex.com positions itself as an all-in-one trading solution, offering more than 5,000 financial instruments. Whether you're just starting out or already an experienced trader, the broker aims to make trading simple and informative with its intuitive interface and in-depth analysis features. The platform integrates advanced trading tools like analyst ratings, hedge fund activity trackers, and insider insights, all designed to help you make smarter, more confident decisions. What really stands out is their focus on education and technology, with free tutorials, integrated news, and real-time market updates. Capex.com provides everything you need to stay ahead in the markets. Plus, with a highly rated mobile application, you can manage trades, analyze charts, and stay connected to global markets anytime, anywhere. Capex.com gives traders access to over 2,100 financial instruments, spanning multiple asset classes. On the Forex side, you'll find a broad range of currency pairs, including majors, minors, and exotics, allowing exposure to global currency markets. For equities and exchange-traded funds, Capex.com offers CFDs on global shares and exchange-traded funds from major markets such as the US, Europe, and beyond. In addition, the platform includes indices, allowing traders to participate in major market benchmarks, for example the S&P 500, DAX, FTSE, and more. The commodities section covers both precious and industrial metals, including gold, silver, palladium, and copper, energy products like gold, heating oil, as well as agricultural contracts and more. Also featured are bonds and cryptocurrencies, or crypto-related instruments, giving exposure to digital asset markets. If you're looking to build a diversified trading portfolio across Forex, stocks, indices, commodities, bonds, or cryptocurrencies, the broker offers a broad toolkit of instruments to do so all in one place. Capex.com operates under the regulation of the Financial Services Authority of Seychelles, ensuring that all its activities adhere to international standards for transparency and client protection. When it comes to security and compliance, the broker takes client protection seriously. All client funds are held in segregated bank accounts separate from the company's operational capital, and the platform uses advanced encryption technologies to safeguard personal and financial data. Additionally, Capex.com complies with strict anti-money laundering and know your customer policies to maintain a secure and compliant trading environment. Capex.com offers a range of bonuses and promotions aimed at enhancing your trading experience. This includes a first deposit bonus of up to 40% and additional deposit bonuses to increase your trading power. They also run a Refer a Friend program where both you and your friend can receive rewards once the referred account is funded and active. It's important to note though that these bonuses come with specific terms. Traders may need to meet certain trading volume requirements before profits from bonuses become withdrawable, and these conditions can vary depending on the promotion. Overall, Capex.com's bonuses provide extra trading opportunities, but it's essential to understand the terms before claiming them. The broker gives traders a choice between two robust platforms, their proprietary WebTrader and the widely used MetaTrader 5 trading platform. On the WebTrader side, you get a web-based, browser-friendly experience that works on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android systems without needing downloads. It supports advanced charting, multiple order types, risk management tools, and a rich suite of analysis features, including 6 chart types, 10 timeframes, and over 90 technical indicators. Meanwhile, MetaTrader 5 brings in the professional-grade environment, including algorithmic trading, expert advisors, advanced charting, and multi-asset support across desktop, mobile, and tablets, making it ideal for more serious traders wanting automated strategies. The mobile application works across iOS and Android, so you can manage your trades, monitor markets, and execute orders on the go. The TradingView integration offered by Capex.com brings professional-grade charting and analytical tools directly into your trading experience. Traders get access to over 100 built-in technical indicators, more than 50 advanced drawing tools, and the option to view up to 8 charts simultaneously in a single layout. With unlimited customization and overlay charts for instrument comparison, the platform empowers you to dig deep into market action. Best of all, this suite of tools is offered free of charge to Capex.com account holders, meaning you can elevate your technical analysis without extra cost. Additionally, Trading Central brings a professional-grade suite of technical analysis tools directly into the Capex.com platform, combining algorithmic pattern recognition with experienced analyst commentary. It covers a broad range of asset classes and offers features such as intraday trend indicators, pivot points, support and resistance levels, forecasts, and preference signals for short or long-term trades. By integrating these tools into Capex.com's WebTrader and other platforms, traders benefit from real-time alerts and market insights that help identify potential trading opportunities, construct strategies, and manage risk more effectively. Whether you're a beginner looking for an intuitive web interface or a more experienced trader after full customization and automation, Capex.com's platform offering covers a broad spectrum of needs. The broker offers 3 main live account tiers designed to meet different trader profiles. These include the Essential, Original, and Signature accounts. The Essential account is aimed at beginners and smaller capital traders, with entry-level benefits such as platform access, daily market reviews, and support a couple of times a week. Next up, the Original account is suited to more active or intermediate traders, with enhanced support, better trading conditions, and a broader access to research. Finally, the Signature account targets experienced or high-volume traders, offering premium features such as daily, weekday dedicated support, full access to research and video libraries, and special trading conditions. All account types share core features like access to the trading platforms and a wide market instrument lineup. However, they differ in support level, educational access, and minimum or investment size. The broker offers a demo account, which gives you risk-free access to the exact same trading environment as their live platform. The same charting tools, same instruments, and the full WebTrader or mobile experience. Because you're trading with virtual funds, you can experiment, learn, test strategies, and get comfortable with the platform without putting any real money at risk. It's designed to help both beginners and more experienced traders build confidence, understand the mechanics of trading, and familiarize themselves with Capex.com's tools before moving into a live account. Creating an account with Capex.com is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Start Trading button. Next, you'll want to fill out your personal information, such as your name, email address, phone number, and create a password, after which you will be redirected to the Capex.com client portal. Within the client portal, you can create live or demo accounts, view their trading platforms, contact customer support, and much more. What you'll want to do next is create your preferred trading account type, either a live or demo account. Keep in mind that if you are opening a live account, you will need to submit your trading application in order to create a live account, or you can simply open a demo account. After you have chosen and created your preferred trading account type, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform, or you can simply use their WebTrader. In our case, we decided to go with the Capex WebTrader. Download and install your preferred trading platform, or simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the Capex.com WebTrader. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your market watch. Here you can browse through and switch between all of the broker's available market instruments, create watch lists, add them to your favorites, and much more. On the right side of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. The platform supports a wide variety of chart types, indicators, and drawing tools to help you customize your chart according to your preferences. And on the Market Watch section, you have a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window. If you are new to trading and are new to any of the brokers available trading platforms, Capex.com provides educational resources to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. Capex.com offers a variety of payment methods for both deposits and withdrawals, making it easy to fund your account and access your profiles. You can use credit or debit cards, bank wire transfers, and popular e-wallets such as Skrill and Neteller. Deposits are typically processed instantly when using cards or e-wallets, and may take 1 to 3 business days or more for bank transfers. Withdrawals are usually handled promptly. Card and e-wallet withdrawals often clear within 24 to 48 hours, while bank transfers may take 2 to 5 business days based on region and banking infrastructure. Importantly, Capex.com states it does not charge fees for deposits or withdrawals. However, your own bank or payment processor might, and currency conversion fees may also apply when you deposit or withdraw in a currency different from your account currency. The broker provides a robust education platform via its Capex Academy and online trading school, designed to support both beginners and more advanced traders. You'll find free structured courses covering topics like the basics of trading, investing fundamentals, crypto and blockchain basics, and specialist modules such as technical and fundamental analysis. The resources also include a large collection of articles, tutorials, and guides on strategies, such as day trading, swing trading, or scalping. They also include tools and market types. Their educational offering gives you the flexibility to learn at your own pace, from the fundamentals to the advanced, helping you build the knowledge and confidence needed to trade smarter. The broker's news and analysis section offers timely market updates and professional commentary designed for traders of all levels. On their market news page, you'll find articles covering global market developments across Forex, commodities, stocks, and more, written by experienced analysts. In addition, their integrated tools suite features technical analysis support from Trading Central, including pattern recognition, support and resistance levels, and alternative scenario forecasts, which can help inform your trade decisions. Capex.com delivers both news-driven insights and data-rich technical analysis, allowing you to stay updated with market trends while applying analytical tools in your trading routine. Over the years of operation, Capex.com has built a reputation for excellence in the online trading space, and it shows in the recognition it has received. The broker has won and been shortlisted for several industry awards, such as the Best Multi-Asset Trading Platform at the Forex Expo Dubai, and Most Transparent Broker runner-up in 2022. It has also been named the Best FinTech Broker at the Wiki Finance Expo and Most Innovative Broker at the Forex Traders Summit in the same year. These honors underscore Capex.com's commitment to delivering innovative technology, providing transparent services, and delivering a professional trading environment for its clients. Overall, if you're seeking a broker that blends diverse market access, professional tools, and a regulated framework, Capex.com delivers an appealing package. With over 2,100 tradable instruments across Forex, stocks, indices, commodities, ETFs, bonds, and cryptocurrencies, the platform gives traders a wide array of opportunities to explore. Its dual platform offering via a proprietary web trader and the industry standard MetaTrader 5 ensures both flexible and advanced functionality. On the regulation and safety front, the broker operates under the regulation of the Financial Services Authority of Seychelles and emphasizes segregated client funds, negative balance protection, and compliance procedures to protect traders. Their educational resources, regular market analysis, and integrated tools further allow users to build confidence rather than simply execute trades. So if you value a solid, all-round trading ecosystem with strong regulation and rich support resources, Capex.com might be a broker worth considering for your trading journey. And that is our overview of Capex.com. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.